Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix short sale problems with Chase Bank step by step clearly. To fix short sale problems with Chase Bank, start by gathering all necessary documentation related to your short sale. This includes your mortgage information, bank statements, proof of income, and a hardship letter. Next, contact Chase Bank's customer service to discuss your short sale situation. Be prepared to provide your loan number and any relevant personal information. Request to speak with a short sale specialist who can guide you through the process. Ask about the bank's specific requirements for short sales. Make sure to confirm the current status of your loan and any outstanding fees. Submit a detailed hardship letter that explains your financial situation. Include all necessary paperwork requested by Chase, such as your financial statements and proof of income. Ensure that you provide a comparative market analysis to justify the short sale price. Stay in regular contact with your assigned short sale specialist. Follow up weekly to check on the progress of your short sale application. Be patient, as the review process can take time. If you encounter delays, request updates and ask if additional documentation is needed. If issues arise, escalate your case to a supervisor at Chase. Keep thorough records of all communications you have with the bank. Once your application is approved, carefully review the short sale approval letter. Make sure all conditions outlined in the letter are feasible and acceptable. Coordinate with your real estate agent to finalize the sale details. Prepare for the closing process by addressing any final requirements from Chase. After the sale closes, confirm that the loan has been marked as paid in full. Monitor your credit report to ensure no unexpected issues arise post-sale. If challenges persist, consider seeking legal advice or assistance from a real estate professional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.